Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we dive deep into the world of electric vehicles. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the solid-state EV battery and its potential application in the Cadillac LYRIQ. Hello and welcome to LYRIQ Media. We endeavor to keep you informed of the most recent information and breaking news about the EV LYRIQ Cadillac and other upcoming EVs from the Cadillac Corporation. So, if you're a fan or owner of an electric vehicle, this channel is for you. We work as a family, listening to your suggestions in the comments area and providing all of the videos you need to stay current in the EV field. Please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell if you're new here to stay up to speed on our latest content. Thank you kindly. Let's get started. Before we delve into the Cadillac LYRIQ's battery, let's understand what a solid-state EV battery is and its composition. Traditional lithium-ion batteries, commonly used in electric vehicles today, consist of a liquid or gel electrolyte that conducts lithium ions between the cathode and anode. On the other hand, solid-state batteries replace this liquid or gel electrolyte with a solid-state material, hence the name. Solid-state batteries typically consist of three key components: the cathode, the anode, and the solid electrolyte. The cathode is the positive electrode, usually made of a lithium-based compound like lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO₄, or lithium cobalt oxide, LiCoO₂. The anode, the negative electrode, is commonly made of carbon-based materials such as graphite. The solid electrolyte, which replaces the liquid electrolyte, is a solid material that allows the movement of lithium ions between the cathode and anode. Now that we understand the composition, let's explore the advantages of solid-state batteries over traditional lithium-ion batteries. One significant advantage is their higher energy density. Solid-state batteries have the potential to store more energy per unit volume or weight, which means they can provide longer driving ranges for electric vehicles. Another advantage is their improved safety. Solid-state batteries are less prone to thermal runaway, a dangerous condition that can occur where the liquid electrolyte in lithium-ion batteries overheats. This enhanced safety feature is particularly important for electric vehicles, where safety is a paramount concern. Additionally, solid-state batteries offer faster charging times. The solid-state electrolyte allows for more efficient ion conduction, which enables rapid charging without the risk of battery degradation. Imagine being able to charge your car in just a matter of minutes instead of hours. The Cadillac LYRIQ is powered by General Motors' revolutionary Ultium battery technology. This advanced battery system represents a significant leap forward in electric vehicle technology, offering exceptional performance and range. So, let's explore the key features and benefits of the Ultium battery. The first notable feature of the Ultium battery is its impressive energy capacity. It's available in various sizes, ranging from 50 to 200 kilowatt-hours core, allowing the LYRIQ to cater to different driving needs and preferences. With a larger battery option, the LYRIQ can achieve an extended range, offering drivers the freedom to embark on longer journeys without frequent recharging. Now let's take a look at the composition of the Ultium battery. It consists of multiple individual battery modules, each containing lithium-ion pouch cells. These cells utilize the nickel-cobalt-manganese-aluminum (NCMA) chemistry, which strikes a balance between energy density, durability, and cost-effectiveness. The use of nickel in the battery chemistry enables higher energy density, resulting in improved range capabilities. Cobalt, manganese, and aluminum are utilized to enhance the battery's stability, longevity, and overall performance. This chemistry formulation allows the LYRIQ to deliver impressive power and acceleration, while maintaining a reliable and long-lasting battery life. It's worth noting that this recall is relatively small in scope and shouldn't cause concerns for most GM electric vehicle owners. However, proper maintenance and adherence to safety recalls are crucial for the longevity and safety of any vehicle, including electric ones. If you want to learn more about a recent vehicle recall, you can contact the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, through its Vehicle Safety Hotline. You can either dial 1-888-327-4236 or visit their website, The LiFePO₄ posted the recall on May 25, 2023, under campaign number 23V367,000. If you go to their website, you can check if your EV is affected by typing your VIN or searching for the recall using the specified campaign number. Several people may be concerned about the increasing number of recalls that we've been seeing recently. This is primarily due to the fact that new models are shifting to electric or using advanced technology in their gasoline engines. These recalls are temporary and should not diminish public trust in electric vehicles because electric technology is still relatively new. Such issues allow manufacturers to identify and fix problems being caused by cutting-edge technology. It also pushes manufacturers to constantly improve and develop better, safer cars. The most important thing now is to ensure that the recalled cars are fixed, and that they do not repeat again with future models. Automakers introducing new powertrains and technology will inevitably have recalls periodically. These recalls are put out so that various defects in the car get identified and fixed. This is why consumers must ensure their cars are up to date with the latest recall notices to protect themselves and their passengers. Thank you for watching this video on LYRIQ Media, your go-to source for all things electric from Cadillac. We hope that you found this content informative and engaging, and that it has helped to broaden your understanding of the rapidly evolving world of electric transportation. As always, we are committed to bringing you the latest news, insights, and analysis from the forefront of the EV industry. Whether you're looking for information on the latest electric car models, updates on industry trends, or tips on how to maximize your EV ownership experience, LYRIQ Media is here to help. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest developments in the world of electric vehicles. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please feel free to leave us a comment below. Thanks again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.